Kiowa, this dive resort in moalboal. Today we are going to KAWASAN Falls for canyoneering, Badian Canyoneering. After that we will be coming to this beautiful resort and we will go to the beach. Let's see. Last day we had a travel for 24 hours and that's why we were completely tired last night and we slept. And now we are again power packed. So we are going to KAWASAN Falls. We just booked over here with Highland Adventure Tours and Travel. So whenever you are coming over here, if you want to book, I will link down below their number and their website so that you can contact them. Right now our bungalow is under cleaning process, so we are just waiting and then we'll leave. And actually we are pretty much late. We had a plan to leave at 9 AM, but right now it's 10 AM and we are going there. Our tour organizer is here to pick us up, and yeah, we are going there now. You waited a lot. Sorry. It's okay? Oh, this is our ride for the day.
One at the back, one
yeah,
in front.
Actually cute ride. So he is going to sit behind and I am going in front. Yo, what's your name?
Sunny.
Sunny. His name is Sunny. We have got a cool guy with us. As you can see, this is ride for the day. And how much time it will take to reach Badian?
Badian. 40 minutes straight.
Okay. Update, we have a Singapore dollar and actually they don't exchange Singapore dollar. After every money exchange is exchanging Singapore dollar, they just exchange euro and US. So we are going to another place to exchange our Singapore dollar. We have half amount of Singapore dollar and half amount of US. Whenever you come, must come with the US dollar because US dollar can be exchanged everywhere wherever you go, but not other currency can be exchanged very easily over here. So we are here to Casino Grand Mall moalboal. So here is Philippine National Bank. So maybe a Singapore dollar can be exchanged over here. Let's see, guys. We have reached Highland Adventures Tours and Travels office, and yeah, it's in Badian, so it's nearby to that Badian Canyoneering area. And we have just signed our accidental and warning form. I don't know what's this called, but it's included with the food. So we are taking vegetarian meal. So whenever you come, you can just select chop suey, no meat. So guys, now GoPro is under waterproof housing. I don't know whether you can hear my voice or not. And we are ready to go into Badian Canyoneering. We are all set. We have got this helmet, we have got this life vest, and yeah, our guide is also ready over there. And one tragedy just happened. I just broke my waterproof cover for the GoPro, and I got it from the guide. He has another GoPro cover, so I got it. Yeah. Reached parking area and now it's 30 minutes walk from here, and she has got a big burn on her leg due to bike silencer. So from there parking place you have to walk for 30 minutes, and I literally have no idea whether you can hear my voice or not because my GoPro is in waterproof housing right now, and that's why I am just speaking loudly. Now where to jump?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah.
What is it?
So far. Okay, video is fail.
half of the canyoneering. Now we are reaching phase 2 and there is phase 1, which is KAWASAN Falls. I just completed phase 3 and all jumps and total expedition was stunning. Since right from the beginning when we were walking and climbing the mountain to then started a canyoneering, everything was amazing fun, which is the first time in our life, and it has got amazing feeling now. It's still phase 2 and we are completely tired and now we are moving towards the KAWASAN. I don't even have a battery for this GoPro. I don't know how would I complete this vlog, but yeah, it's okay. We'll make out something out of this.
Water.
So guys, now we are resting for some time and she has got big bun. Yeah, it was due to the silencer of Hawal on which we came actually. And yeah, we are on the phase 2 and we are very much tired. Actually, we just completed phase 3 and now we are moving towards the phase 1, which is KAWASAN Falls, and there are some few jumps left, which has got more height than what we have done in.
Don't jump. Full time, dead journey, don't jump. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
So now we are reaching KAWASAN Falls within 5 minutes, and it was long tiring walk through the middle of jungle and jumps, swings, walking into the river, swimming into the river, and it has got one of the pristine blue water I have ever seen in my entire life. This is most amazing thing to be done in the moalboal, Badian Canyoneering, and reaching to the KAWASAN Falls through the Badian jungle. We are vegetarian.
No.
We are vegetarian.
Yeah, I know, but very nice. Really. Yes.
So there was a honey vendor and they were selling a pure honey. They made it right in front of you, and yeah, you can buy it. Yeah, it's not that costly. It is cheap, but it is more pure than anything. So guys, we are pretty much done with the KAWASAN Falls and yeah, Badian Canyoneering, and entire route was amazing. We did many high cliff jump and we did swimming, and water was some pristine blue water I have ever seen in my entire life. And sorry for the audio, actually my GoPro was into the water for housing throughout the route, so audio was not that clear because there was no chance I can bring any other camera like DSLR or my cell phone to record of audio, and I can attach a microphone with my GoPro when I was doing the canyoneering. So yeah, so audio was not clear at all. GoPro had done the great job because without a GoPro you cannot do this thing and cannot record this thing. So whenever you come, GoPro is must. If you don't have GoPro, don't worry, you can rent it out from the guide, 500 peso around the memory card it is. So you can record pretty much 32 GB of the 31 GB of the storage for 500 peso, and if you are coming into the group of at least 5 people, then it is 100 peso per person. So it is just 100 peso per person. So it is very cheap. It is not that costly. But hire a GoPro or take your own GoPro. GoPro is must. So now we are moving towards the highway and it is 15 minutes walk, and from there we will be reaching to the resort. As you know, we are staying into the KAWASAN dive resort. So once we reach, I'll meet you then. So guys, we have reached to the resort, KAWASAN dive resort in moalboal. Today we have enjoyed a lot at Badian Canyoneering, and yeah, there is lot many things coming up in the next vlog. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and yeah, watch our next videos. While returning back, we have got some apples, fruits, bread and other things. So now we are going to make some food for ourselves. I am ending up my vlog over here. Let's become psycho again in the next vlog.